So Breaking Ground Initiative is about helping students understand that they can become civically engaged at any time, that they have the power to go out and learn about real life problems from real people. So this course, Cultural Documentation and Participation with Communities, is all about learning about the significance and values of the Sparrows Point steel mill to its communities. So students are learning the skills needed to go out into the field, so doing field work, to meet people, particularly former and active steel workers that were working at Sparrows Point, and to learn from them through their stories and memories the importance of this place, even if it becomes an empty field. But what is important is that these are stories that are not often told. If you think about heritage, we think about built heritage, particular buildings that we like to preserve, particular historical events we like to commemorate and learn about in our textbooks and at museums. However, occupational heritage and in particular living heritage and the memories and stories of for instance, Sparrows Point, are stories, again, that aren't really told. And so students are learning about larger economic forces and putting a human face on that. And they're helping to safeguard the importance of Sparrows Point through the stories and memories for the future.
Well, the great thing about the project is not only that their students get this experience and they learn the skills to do this type of work, but we also create these artifacts, which are the stories and the videos that we're collecting, and we do want to create a website that will live on after the project to sort of preserve these stories. What we find is we wind up using these in a lot of ways that we didn't initially intend to. We might actually make a broader documentary, using these materials as well. So they have a life after the project, which is very important. Not just for the people in the community, obviously, but also it's sort of a picture, a part of a bigger picture, of what's going on in their culture. I mean, you see what has happened here at Sparrows Point is a pattern that has been repeated, across this country for decades. And what this does for students, after hearing this for a while, it becomes very abstract, and this makes it very concrete for them, that they can actually see an example of, talk to people that are being impacted by this.